Hey y'all, it's your girl Prospect Monroe and I'm back with another video. In this video, I am going to be doing an install. You're going to see how I put this hair, this 20-inch 13 by 4 frontal on my head. This is my first time doing it myself, but I've gotten it done before. And I'm going to give you more deets about this wig. So if you want to see more, keep watching. So yeah, guys, I am back because I wanted to show you guys this wig that I'm about to install. So like I said, I'm not a hairdresser. I know a little bit of something, but I ain't all that. So this unit was sent to me by who sent me this unit? I'm definitely gonna have it linked. I can't remember the name. But this unit is really cute. It's a water wave unit. And I'm thinking that I want to wear this for tonight because you can see like how it's already pre-plucked, and they really killed this. This is a 13 by 4 sorry guys, a 13 by 4 frontal. You can see my wig. Like I was saying, this is a 13 by 4 frontal, and it's 20 inches, and I think the density is 150. But even though the density is not that high, this hair, because it's curly, gives you a lot of volume. Right now the company is having a 50% off sale. So if you are interested in after I install this and you see what it looks like, I will have a link of the sale that you guys can link and actually purchase this. This is super nice. This is my no, I lied. I was about to say this is my first frontal. It is not. I've had multiple frontals before, but this is my first time installing my frontal. And I love this. This is nice. I could already see that this is about to be looking really good. So really what I'm about to do is I'm about to let this wig dry because I washed it. And then what I'm gonna do, I already bleached the knots. I don't think they took too much. I don't know if you guys can see that. I didn't want to dye it too dark, but I'm gonna bleach the knots. I'm going to cut the lace, and I'm gonna be doing a ball cap method with this. And then after that, what I will be doing is installing the hair into my head and making it look, perfect. But I'm definitely thinking about doing this. All of this will be in the video. Stay tuned so you can see how I freak this. But this is super cute. I love this. And like I said, I will have a link of how you can get this hair. This hair is everything. Like once the baby hairs and all that is done. And you know what? This is definitely beginner friendly. I'm definitely gonna have to, because I'm the girl with with a lot of edges. So what I'm gonna do, I already bleached the knots. I don't think they took too much. I don't know if you guys could see that. I didn't want to dye it too dark, but I'm gonna bleach the knots. I'm going to cut the lace, and I'm gonna be doing a ball cap method with this. And then after that, what I will be doing is installing the hair into my head and making it look, perfect. But I'm definitely thinking about doing this. All of this will be in the video. Stay tuned so you can see how I freak this. But this is super cute. I love this. And like I said, I will have a link of how you can get this hair. This hair is everything. Like once the baby hairs and all that is done. And you know what? This is definitely beginner friendly. I'm definitely gonna have to, because I'm the girl with a lot of edges. So I kind of did everything off camera because I could not focus. But what I'm gonna do on camera is I put the glue and I used this Eben Forever Ultimate Lace Holding Glue, and I am melting the lace with this. I don't know what I need to do, but my blow dryer. It is melting, I would say. I don't know if I need more glue. Like I said, this is my first time installing a leaf frontal. So I had to do that off camera, y'all. I didn't plug any of this part at all. I had to do it off camera because I just couldn't do this on camera. But what I did was I did a ball cap method. I glued, put some got to be glue, sprayed it. I think that part you saw. But I'm trying to get the part straight. That part y'all saw, but what I didn't show y'all was I don't even see where that glue is. Putting the Eben glue down and slicking my edges down with my edge control. And I'm gonna have all the products listed below. But I think this install came out pretty good for my first time. And as you guys can see, the lace doesn't go all the way down to my ears. So I did a little like baby hairs around that part. I was trying to show you guys how this side doesn't really cover. It doesn't cover because I have like a lot of sideburns and all that. This part will be covered, but I pulled this baby hair a little bit further down to cover my sideburns. And this is the hair. Now, you want to be able to spray this. I have my water bottle to kind of get the curls back together. So, kind of like spray it to get the curls back because it is a water wave curl. So yeah, you want to spray this. I have a setting thing called Wet Look that I usually put on my curls. I will be doing that too, just to give it some wetness. As you can see, the curls are coming together. I really like this. Like I said, I pulled this together really quick. The whole process takes a little bit longer just because you want to be able to, the process takes long because of the bleaching the knots. So this will take a day or two in prep work, but I didn't have to put a, elastic band on this just because I glued it down. But if you ever want to wear this glueless, you can put an elastic band. So we're just setting this hair right now, trying to make the curls pop. I really love this wig. This wig is perfect. Now here's a few tips because I don't think people really talk about this. When you have a lace frontal, once you've laid it down to your liking and you have it the way you want, the best thing to do is get one of these and tie your hair down. Tie your hair down until you're about to go out. Because a lot of people want to walk around the house with this. No, you will sweat this lace off. But what you want to do is tie this down. And I'm sorry, I'm just giving y'all all types of angles right now, but tie this down and keep it tied until you're about to leave. Don't take this off because it won't stay. Keep in mind, this is not growing out your scalp. No matter what people tell you, what lace, all that bull crap, you want to tie this down real tight, and you want to be able to keep this on until you go out. So, I'm sorry, I gave y'all a little bit of misinformation. I came back with some, concealer, and I put it on the part. I put it all over all these edges. And I remember I told you guys to put this purple thing, which what you want to do is you want to put the wrap strip first. So I'm going to take my glasses off so I can catch all my ears and stuff. So what you do is you put the wrap strip over it. This wrap strip helps because it takes away some of the moisture, like if you start sweating or whatever, and you could get it pretty tight. Not to say you can't get the purple thing tight, but this comes on tighter. So you put the wrap strip first, so you have an extra layer of protection. So that's on. Now after I have the wrap strip on, now that I have my wrap strip on, I'm going to put this purple thing over it. So you should be a double layer of protection. The wrap strip is gonna soak up all the sweat, the moisture, any water that falls on your forehead, and this is an extra layer of protection. Sometimes this hair gets caught up in it, but you want to tie it as tight as you can, even though it doesn't come on as tight. And what I do is I try to tie a knot just as tight as I can. It's not going to be perfect because you're going to have to move your ears eventually. But yeah, there you have it. It's on, and I'm going out in a few hours, maybe 5 or 6 hours, and my hair is going to be laid by the time. Yeah, like I was saying, my hair is going to be laid by the time I go out. I'm adjusting the clip in the back. My hair is going to be laid. But as y'all can see, this hair is really nice. It looks really good. Like I was telling you guys earlier, the brand is having a sale on this hair. The hair is actually $79.99 because it's 50% off. So if you guys are interested in getting something like this, it's definitely a good price. You can't beat $80 for a 20-inch frontal. I think anybody who's looking for a beginner hairstyle to practice on, or just, you know, you got somewhere to go real quick, but you don't have $300 to spend on hair, this is the perfect solution. I think this is bomb. If this is your first wig, it came out really good. And you know what's crazy? I just sprayed water on this. I didn't even put my setting spray or nothing on this. So you know the curl's about to be activated once I spray the wet. like I was saying, once I put this wet look on it, I'm gonna come back. I'm not gonna do that on camera, but I spoke to you. It's gonna be 1 part wet look, 2 parts water. And what you do is, it's definitely like a styling curl activator type of thing, and it makes the curl even more pop. Like if you like see this curl right now, it's like a 5. Once I put the wet look on it, it's gonna be like a 15. It's going to activate whatever curl is in this hair, and then it's gonna dry. Like, you know how sometimes you have curly hair, it only looks shiny when you wet it. The wet look will keep it looking wet all day, but it's dry, so it won't dry up looking puffy and ugly. It's gonna dry up looking just like this, so it'll have the same kind of shine, and that's why I like it. But yeah, I'm gonna come back with my makeup done and everything else done, and I'm going to give you guys a final look with my outfit, my hair, and everything else. This is the finishing look. I don't know if you can see it, but it's wet. I just finished as much as I can, and this is the look. I had a long day. I couldn't fix it as much as I could, as much as I wanted to, but this is the best it's gonna be. This is the curl, and keep in mind it's not even wet anymore. This is from the wet look. So that's the curl. I'll see you guys later.